Welcome back, everybody. Look, here she is. It's Jane Austen #2. I love how the cover turned out. I'm going to just do a very quick flip through on this second one because I did a full flip through on the hardcover version. Most of the inside of the book is the same except for some of the decorative pieces on the tags and ephemera, things like that. So she has a silk closure that wraps around her, and then it goes through a loop here on the front. That way you don't have two long strings hanging on the journal. But she's covered on the front with coffee dyed lace, a little piece of a doily, some vintage laces here, and this is one of the images from the kit that I've loved so much from this kit. It just has adorned the cover of this book just beautifully. The cover is done over a large paper envelope with a very strong canvas type of fabric on the front. I have not pulled the fibers from the edge. There is all the way around the book. There is some fray check, but midway through, so it will fray some. You can encourage it along and pull it if you like, but I didn't want to go ahead and make that judgment for whoever gets the journal. It is done with a spine where you can see the stitches, and I just really love how she has turned out, and her size in the hands just feels so nice. The inside of the book has this beautiful antiqued or coffee dyed cotton fabric that just, it could not have gone more perfectly with the papers from the kit and the other papers that I used to make pockets and so forth. So again, this is just a tag here, a little piece for journaling here, a little lace peekaboo pocket with a tag from the kit behind it, and this adorable little bird with some vintage buttons. Another beautiful page from the kit. I love everything. Here's a little cluster with some gemstones, some embossing. And again, the kits came, I used two kits, again, the Jane Austen kit and the lace kit from Art Smart Crafts. And the journaling cards were, I think it was called Jane Austen Ladies or something like that. But I'll have all of that linked below. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. And I have some of the lace that's also on the cover throughout the book that has been zigzag stitched on the pages. Here's some pockets full of ephemera pieces, some tags, and some more pieces of ephemera back here. There's a little tag here with a birdie. Another little birdie here and a longer tag. Another birdie here. He's got a little butterfly friend. It's always hard to part with journals that I've spent time making. Here's a little journaling flip over here. It's got some antique lace there. A little tuck spot here with a little image of a bird on either side. That came from a really teeny tiny little book. You can journal on that side too. Love that image. There's a little tag or a journaling card in there. It just tucks underneath. Little snippet rolls throughout the book as well. More tags. a bingo card that's been collaged that I got as a gift that you can use as a journaling card. I can just see Jane Austen playing parlor games. Is that? But this project on these two books has been a joy. So this comes out, flips up, journaling card belly band. Some beautiful lace on that. It's just gorgeous, one of my favorites. But when it comes to lace, I think I favorite them all. This is a image from a old, I guess it would have been like a gift booklet, almost like a gift card, but not a gift card like we have today, but like a greeting card. That's what I mean to say. But it was a whole book. Here's this beautiful image with the frame that's been antiqued to look very old. There's journaling spots galore in both the hardcover and this journal. And this is a offcut of a die, coffee dyed paper, tucked inside to write on. This is another piece here where you can open it up to write on that. And then there's the journaling cards of the ladies inside. Oh, I gotta put something in this pocket. I don't know what I missed, and I also missed putting something in the bag. Don't know how I did that. I love this image too. I'm a sucker for roses, pinks, and greens. Can you tell with this journal? And this is fun. It's another little belly band with a flower on it. You can journal on that. It's just kind of fun. Little surprise as you turn the page. Name from one of the Jane Austen novels. More little trinkets, tickets and tag, music paper. Another journaling card. This is some pressed flowers, real pressed flowers with some doily behind it and a Tim Holtz little girl. It's a rusted paper clip, and in here is a little miniature journaling card with some little heart trinkets. Spread a little love in your day. And there you go. That is the end of the softcover Jane Austen journal. Now I guess I need to come up with our next project. This little honey will be listed in my Etsy as well within the next couple of days. So go on out and take a look at her. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining, and thank you to all of you who subscribe. If you've not subscribed, please join us for future videos with Junk Journal Gems.